Hey there, April of Yes to Next here with my mom, Aiko, and Mochi. He's awake. Okay, so day 4, we have a really fun walk and dance workout for you today. We're gonna be doing 2 sets of 3 dance moves, okay? All right, 20 seconds each, right? And then we're gonna be doing walking in between.
All right.
Okay, so you're really gonna get your steps in. This is a nice, fun cardio workout. All right, so make sure that you clear the area. Had any rugs, please secure them, tape them down, get them out of the way. Definitely have water handy. Important to stay hydrated.
Absolutely.
All right.
Yep.
So you ready to put on your boogie shoes?
My shoes are on.
All right, we're gonna take a quick pause here and get started. Okay, let's march it out. Warm it up before we start this dance, walk and dance workout. Okay, whew. Breathe it out, everybody.
Yep, keep breathing.
Getting our steps in. Now, make sure you have good posture, ears, shoulders, hips in alignment while we do this.
It's in my brain.
Walk and dance workout. That's right, working our coordination. Okay, give me some nice heel touches forward. Warm up the legs. Yes. And breathe. Don't forget to breathe. Okay. Good. And
What kind of dance moves are they? Waltzing kind?
I wouldn't say they're waltzing. March it out. Not waltzing. More
Waltzing.
waltzing. You know what? We'll have to do. We'll have to do a waltz workout one day.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
But these are not waltz moves today. Okay, reach it out. Ah, reach. Excellent. 3, 4. Breathe, everybody. Very nice. Need 2 more. Warm everything up. Get that blood flowing. Shoulder rolls back. Give me some shoulder rolls back. Good. 3, 4. Reverse it. 1. Good. 2, 3, and 4. Nice. Give me a nice little head tilt. Ooh, yes. Center. Head tilt. Geared shoulder. Yes. Very nice. And 1 more. Head side. Center. Side. And center. Very nice. All right. Nice work on this quick warm up. We'll take a pause here and get started with our walk and dance workout. Down. Okay. So our first move is just basically going to be a step touch. Okay. Okay. And we're just going to open it and open. So open and open. Okay. We're on for 20 seconds. Open. Open.
Oh, this is easy peasy.
Yes, this is your side step. You love this. Breathe, everyone. Yes. Nice little easy peasy side step move.
Yeah, my kind of move. All right.
Once you get used to it, you can just like do whatever you want with your hands. Okay, just out, out, and march it out. Okay, this is where we get our walking steps in, everybody. Okay, get your walking steps. Keep it going. You can go as fast or slow as you want. Okay, all right. So our next move is basically going to be a step and step, okay? But step, scoop, shake. Step, scoop, shake. Step, scoop, give me a shake. Step and scoop, shake. Sec, shake, scoop, shake, scoop, shake, scoop, shake. Good. Scoop, shake, scoop, and shake. Good. Scoop, shake, scoop, and shake. Good. You're gonna get another practice round on that one, so. Okay. You're like, what? My body's like, what's going on?
Yeah. My fat is jiggling. It's wondering what's going on here.
All right, this time we're going to the right. 2 steps. 1 and 2, right?
Yeah.
Left and 2. Watch my arm. Bringing it back for 2. Back and 2. Other arm. Good. Back. Yes. Bring it back. Pull it back. Each step goes. Yes. Looking good. Hey, if you need to practice this, no worries, okay?
Yeah, absolutely.
That's okay.
Just good coordination.
Yes, go slow. It's fun too. Okay, march it out. We got a nice 30-second rest here. Take some water. Breathe. This is your time to get some steps in if you want. Rest. Take a sip of water. Okay? All right, because we're going to do that round one more time so you get more practice.
Oh,
okay?
Thank you. That's really good news.
All right. So you remember that first move, right?
Yep.
That step with the with the angel arms. Okay. And march it out. And we are on for just 20 seconds, everyone. Step, step. Open the arms. Look, watch. Step it out. Good. Step it out. Step it out. Step it out. My mom's flying away here. Whoo, yes. Open it. Good work, everybody. Open step. Open step. Open step. Open step. Yes? March it out. Okay. Good work.
Okay.
Need to practice that move
Keep doing it.
with it, okay?
You can do it.
Yeah, with practice, your muscles gain muscle memory. Okay, now this is the next one, that fun one, right? Remember that scoop and the shake?
Yeah.
Scoop and shake.
Okay.
All right, march it out. Get your steps in. Keep going, everybody. Okay, here we go. Scoop, shake, scoop, shake. Good. Scoop, shake, scoop. Give me a shake. Scoop, shake. Yes, scoop and shake. Keep it going. Looking good. Shake, scoop, shake, scoop. Yes. Oh yeah, you getting into it now?
Yeah.
Whew. Good work. And march it out. Excellent. You kind of want to do that one longer, right?
That's fun. Yeah.
Uh-huh.
You're shaking things up.
That's right.
Literally shaking
Literally shaking it up. Absolutely. Okay, got that 2-step with the double arm pull. Next. Breathe, breathe, breathe. Okay, and here we go. 2-step, 2-step. It's opposite arm, right?
Oh, opposite
Yes,
arm.
ma'am.
Okay.
Giving you some coordination. Practice. Keep it going. Good.
My brain is catching up with this jiggling.
You're doing it. Okay, march it out. Another 30-second round.
It's good.
Hey, nice work on that first set.
We
Okay.
did it, folks.
Next set, new set of 3 exercises. Okay? So good. Get those steps in. Can you ramp it up? You can do some wide stepping. You can do narrow stepping. You can walk it around your loved one.
I just hit 10,000.
Woo! All right. Okay. Hey, next one. Watch this. Arms 90 degrees, right, everybody? All we're doing is we're going to step it forward. I'm turning, okay? And turn. Watch this, right? Turn. And turn. See, yep. You're really moving your entire body. So look at your feet. Your foot faces the side, okay? Okay, good. Keep going. I'll show you the next move. We can ramp this up in the next round. Okay, nice work. Good work, everybody. Now, next one we're gonna do is a little bit of balance move.
Uh-oh.
A little bit of
Here we go,
balance.
folks.
Okay, work on your knees. You can't get your knees up, don't worry about it. You just give me some little like toe touches. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Single, single, double. Single, single, double. So single, single, double. Single, single, double. Good. Single, single, double. Yes. Single, single, double. Got it? Single,
I think
single,
so.
double. You're doing it. Single, single, double. Nice work. Good work, Mom.
No, trying to get in there.
All right.
Still coordination
These are
off.
all new moves, so no worries. Okay. Now, our next one is basically your favorite step touch.
Very good.
Okay. Step touch, but watch it. It's step, opposite arm. Step throw. It's like you're hitting your toe, your opposite foot. Okay. That's all you're doing here. Breathe it out. Give me a nice throw. Throw it out. And throw. Nice work. Keep it going. Looking good. Yes. And move. Keep going. And breathe. And nice. And march it out, everyone. Okay. Good work. Okay, so did you get that? That's the second round. We're gonna do it
All
one more
right.
time to give you more practice. Okay.
All right.
So get ready.
All right.
Okay, get your steps in. Take a sip of water and walk around my mom. Okay, get my steps in. You can ramp it up here. Do some knee ups if you want. This is your call. This is freestyle. Okay, next one is, remember that arms up? Step it forward and back. Yes. Now watch my arms. I can really kind of swing them now if I want. Whoo! Yes, and swing it back. Step it and swing. Yes, whoo! Nice, and step. Looking good. Keep it going. Nice work, everybody. And good work. All right, good work. Next move. Remember those little single doubles? Okay, start on the right leg.
Okay.
Okay, goes right, single, single, double. And do it with me?
Yeah.
Single, single, double. Good, we're on. Single, single, double. Good. Single, single, and double. Slow, good. Single, single, double. Nice. Single, single, double. You're doing it. Single, single, double.
Don't break my
Yes.
concentration
And
here.
rest.
All right.
Good. You know what? Yes. Once you start getting in the flow of it, your body remembers.
Yeah.
Okay? All right. Next move. We're doing that step touch and the throw.
Okay.
Remember that? Okay. Easy peasy step touch.
Okay.
Okay. And we are on now. Step, throw, step, throw, step, throw. Give me a nice throw, Mom. Whew, throw down. Slam it down. Good. Step, throw. Good work. Step, throw. Just another 10 seconds here, people. Good. Step, throw. Throw. Good work. Breathe. Breathe. Looking good. Oh, yes.
Oh.
Nice work, everybody. Excellent. Okay, I got a surprise for you. We're going to do all 6 of those moves all in succession. So
Uh-oh.
just follow along, okay? This is practice, okay? Take a breath. You can do this. We can do this. I know you can do this. And breathe. All right, first move is that slide open. 2, good. 3 and 4. We're going into scoop and a shake, okay? So scoop, shake, scoop, shake. Good. Scoop, shake, scoop, shake. Give me 2 more. Scoop, shake, scoop, shake. Going to double arm pull. And double. And double. And double. 2 more. Double. And double. Very nice. March it out. Okay, good. Remember? 90 degrees?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. Step forward, center, forward. Good. Step it and step it. Give me 2 more. And 2. All right, down. Single, knee, double knees, okay?
Okay.
Single, single, double. Single, single, double. Single, single, double. 2 more sets. Single, single, double. 1 more. Single, single, double, and rest. Last one, step, touch, and throw. Step, throw, step, and throw. Step, throw, step, and throw. 2 more. And step, and throw, and rest. Nice work on this walk and dance workout, everybody. Let's do a quick little cool down, okay? Woo, yes, side to side. Very nice. Nice work. Okay, 2 inhale, exhales, inhale, and exhale, inhale, and exhale, and very nice. Excellent work today. We look forward to seeing you tomorrow. And in the meantime, get some rest and drink water. Talk to you soon.
Keep moving and dancing.